Hey guys, here is two pieces of original Apple Earpods which I've get for super less money. It's around $4. Wait, this is the retail package. It's original genuine headphones with a serial number which can be identified as original from Apple center. Model is 1472. On a local market, they will be more expensive, around $30. And if you get AirPods with a Lightning connector, they will be $14 cash. So anyway, I've got this one because I like and using only these headphones because they provide so amazing quality of sound, deep bass. It's not like earphones with cushions which can deeply inside on your ear. This is created to be comfortable with your ear. Anyway, I'm gonna unbox these headphones. There is some information about the product, like safety information, control of music, 1 year limited warranty, which is standard warranty of Apple products. As you can see, there is no difference with the original headphones from iPhone package. I like it so much, these headphones. Look at this design. Just awesome. I have no words. A remote control, microphone, built-in. There needs to be some text. Just to find it. Here we go. It's hard to focus. Designed by Apple in California, which is serial number 2. Sorry, I can't focus. Now can be see it. Designed by Apple in California. Yes, this is the awesome headphones. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more amazing gadgets and original products like this one. Share and see you next video.